Hello everyone, welcome to Simaxis. So this is a software which is used for a restaurant billing, or you can also use it in hotel billing. So you can find out full source code link in a description box. So let's start a quick demo. So this is a multi-tenant application. So one database can handle multiple restaurants. So simply you can create a restaurant like I created one. Um, I'm going to create one for you. In the register. So that restaurant is created. So it's a newly created. So analytics log is 0. So let's start with quick demo with my existing ID. So I'm going to log in. So here is a some sort of analytics. Today's stats: sale, cancelled, hold, refund, and this month's stat. And also gives you a sales chart. So on October, November, December, January, February. So what sales, and it also refund. So how much amount it refund. So I'm not. So let's start with the sale bill. So sale bill, for example, when you're going to restaurant, so you're going to book a table. For example, I'm going to book a table number 2. So that table is booked. So waiter, I assigned a waiter, and you can also create a customer. If you don't want to create, then simply cash. Dine in, takeaway, delivery. So it's a dine in. So here you can add products. So oatmeal. So it's a full and half. It sports full and half. So which item doesn't spot full and half, then it will show you only full drop down. So quantity you can increment. So right away another customer want another other thing like table number 5. So you simply click on a table number 5. It's dined in berries. Okay, so that table number 2 also want another thing. So I clicked on that. So it switched to that. So that is a temporary saved. So they want a burger. So I add a burger. So you can also search like, so green tea I searched. It gives me bottom. So green tea always a full. It doesn't spot half. So like this way billing is created. So it's a table number 2 billing. So you can switch between customers like table number 2, table number 5. So it gives you a real-time view. So here discount I did 3% discount, and service charges is 2. And you can also go for a quick print. Do you want to print this order? So quick print will show you how invoice looks like. So this is the quick print. So logo is here, and dated item, full quantity 3, and amount is this, and amount it shows you a dollar. So that is configurable. Dollar, rupee, everything which spots in your country. So you can configure it. I will show you next. So this is invoice, and you can simply print it from here and download it. So it's a quick print. So complete order, hold order, cancel order. So when you click on a hold order, so that order will be here. So you can process that order after some time. So cancel order, so order will be cancelled. It will show you in reports that that order will be that order is cancelled. So this thing is complete order. So when customer want to pay it off, so you can click on a complete order. So order is completed. So invoice comes up, and you can print, and that table is free. So in this way you can do a quick billing. So it's a very user friendly. So it has a GST, VAT, 12%, and 12% is also configurable in a master. So first of all is user management. So you can create a users so that your users can do billing. So product categories, so I created some categories here. And product type, it's a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. And product unit, so it's a unit, what's the unit, it's a kg or a pieces. And product, so here some products added, so you can create your new product. Vegetarian non-veg unit is pieces, and name, half price, full price. If half price doesn't spot, then you can simply put 0, and full price you can add whatever you want. And status is active, you can browse the image. So product is created. And customers, so when you're doing a sale in a sale bill, so here is the customer is cash, so you want to add a customer, so you simply click on a plus and you can add a customer from here. So that created customers will show you here, and you can also create a customers. And tables, so I created some tables and walk-ins, like for example, one customer comes and they want meals, and they do not want to sit in restaurant, so they want to take away, so you can use that. So what it's a totally dynamic, so you can create a table, you can create a whatever you want, so that will reflect in a sale bill. And waiter, so you can add a waiters here, waiters gender, male, email address, and basic things are here. And configuration, this is a important thing, so company name, company address, company contact, company VAT / GST, so whatever spot in your country, so you can add here. And tax percentage, so that tax percentage is in a sale bill. Currency name is dollar and currency symbol is dollar. So dollar, when you want to billing in a rupee or a pound, you can add that symbol here, so that symbol reflect in an invoice. And company logo, so that logo will be shows in a sale bill report, that quick print. So this is the basic thing. And this is a sale refund, so for example, a customer want a refund, so you can also search with the order ID, like I want to search with the order ID 24, that comes in. And that order ID and that customer want a refund, so when you click on a refund, so you can do a deduction if you want. That's not a compulsory, if you want you can do a deduction. For example, I deduct a 3% and save, order refund successfully, and that order is refunded. So here is a report, so report is a daily sale report. So daily sale report, I want to fetch it 21st January to 4th of February. So it gives you a combined aggregated report, so that 31st sale on a 31st, so total amount and discount we give, tax and service charges and total amount. So it gives you aggregated things, so all the bills combined, so that sum of amount is showing here on that specific date. So it's a daily sale report, so it gives you a days wise analytic. And a sale bill report, so sale report is here. So in that report it gives you customer cash amount, discount, tax percent and tax amount, service charges, total amount. So you can also check a product, how many products they are in that particular order. So it gives you a product detail, type, quantity, price and amount. So it gives you a full analytic of a sale. And the third one is a product wise sale report, so you can find out which product is selling more, like this one. So this is a product wise sale report, so you can find it out all, so it gives you all product sale, so it's a product wise sale. And last one is a refund report, So it gives you how many invoices refunded. So recently we refunded that. So refund amount is 121. Okay, so that's it. So it's very flexible, and uh, you can easy to use that software, and it's very easy to integrate in your. This is a code structure. It's a service layer, model, data, and main main project. So it's a pretty simple structure, straightforward, and easy to integrate in any existing application. So you can find out the link in a description box, so you can purchase if you want to customize the things. So I'm available for you. Thank you.